Hi everyone. If you are an international medical graduate like me, getting through the AMC process can seem overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create your EPIC ID and explain its importance in applying for the AMC Part 1 MCQ exam. So let's get started. Have you heard what is EPIC? Before we dive into the process, let me explain what EPIC is and why it's important. EPIC, EPIC, or the Electronic Portfolio of International Credentials, is the system used by the ECFMG to verify your medical qualifications. This step is crucial because the Australian Medical Council requires all international medical graduates to have their credentials verified through EPIC before they can apply for the AMC exam. The first step in creating your EPIC ID is to visit the EPIC website, which is part of the ECFMG website. EPIC, or the Electronic Portfolio of International Credentials, is a system run by the ECFMG, the Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates. It's used to verify your medical qualifications. Now, before you start the EPIC registration, there are a few important documents you'll need to have ready. Let me list them for you. A scanned copy of the photograph page of your current passport in color. The scan should include the expiration date of your passport. Any pages in the passport with Latin characters also should be taken. Then a full color photograph of yourself. Make sure it meets EPIC's guidelines in the website. And information about your medical education, like your school's ID number, attendance dates, and degree issue date. Then details about your medical licensure and any identification numbers. If you have one, your USMLE or EICS identification number. Having all these ready will save you a lot of time during the registration process. Let's move on to starting an EPIC account. The first step in creating your EPIC ID is to visit the EPIC website, which is part of the ECFMG website. This is the ECFMG website. Let's go to the EPIC section. This is the EPIC section. Very informative, and it helps you understand how EPIC is verifying the documents and ID. This video is going to help you. Please watch it. And there's a list given which documents can be verified using EPIC. Next, we'll be going to create a new account in EPIC. Establish an account right here. Click on it. Getting started. Important information, including the documents which are needed for the EPIC verification, are listed down. Continue. Here you have to fill your personal details and contact information. Many sections. Before you submit, double check the information you already added, because it's going to be there for all the next applications you make. Okay, continue. So thereafter, you will be receiving an EPIC registration number. So once you receive your EPIC registration, They will issue you an EPIC ID. Once you receive your EPIC ID, the next step is to upload your medical qualifications for verification. Log into your EPIC account and head over to the Documents section. Here, you'll upload a copy of your medical diploma or degree for primary source verification. EPIC will then contact your medical school directly to verify the authenticity of your qualifications. Now, once your documents are submitted, you'll want to keep track of the verification process using Oasis. Oasis is the online system you can monitor the progress of the credential verification. You'll see whether EPIC has received your documents, whether they are under review or they've been verified. Make sure to check this regularly. You can even contact your university if you are concerned about any delays. Now that you have your EPIC ID and have uploaded your documents, the next step is to create your AMC portfolio account. Head over to the AMC website and let's get started. Here's how to do it. Go to the Australian Medical Council website and click on the AMC candidate account link. You might see this tab, Sign up for an AMC candidate account, and fill in your personal details such as your email address, date of birth, and create a password. But can you see there is something called the EPIC ID there? This is the same EPIC number or this EPIC ID you created through the EPIC section in the ECFMG website. This is important because the AMC won't issue your AMC candidate number until your medical credentials have been verified through EPIC. Once your EPIC verification is complete, the AMC or the Australian Medical Council will issue your AMC candidate number. This AMC candidate number is essential for scheduling your Part 1 AMC exam. Let's quickly recap the process to make sure you're all set. First, visit the EPIC section of the ECFMG website and register for an EPIC ID. And the second step is to upload your medical qualifications for verification through EPIC. And EPIC will contact your university directly to verify the documents you uploaded. Step 3. Use Oasis to track your verification status. Your EPIC ID will be emailed to you. Then create your AMC candidate account and link it with your EPIC ID as directed in the AMC website. Once your documents are verified, you're all set and you'll receive your AMC candidate number. Thanks for joining. In the next video, I will give you a lot of information, like a lot of tips for getting ready for your AMC examination while you're waiting.